Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Mobizen and you click here on this page. After that you click on this window of first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your